Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make very simple salad using a very simple recipe. So I'm going to show you how to. So meanwhile, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. So what we are going to need for the salad is a cabbage, carrots, 2 unripe tomatoes, canned corn, mayonnaise, and white onions. That is it guys, very simple. And of course our grater, because I'm going to use it to make the salad. So here it is guys. So let me show you how to. my salad, guys. It's ready. So I'm going to put in the fridge for a few minutes. Then I will remove and put my mayonnaise and stir it until it become creamy. I tell you guys, this is very, very delicious. You should try it out. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Bye guys.